Hi everyone. Today I'll be making pepper jack au gratin potatoes. What all goes into the pepper jack au gratin potatoes? 5 tablespoons unsalted butter, divided, 1/4 cup flour, 2½ cups milk, any kind, 1/2 cup heavy whipping cream, 1 1/4 teaspoons fine sea salt, or to taste, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 cups grated cheddar cheese, divided, or you can use Gruyère, but I didn't have either one of those, so I'm using pepper jack, hence the name pepper jack au gratin potatoes. And 3 pounds of Yukon gold potatoes, scrub peeled and sliced. These are my leftover potatoes from the fish and chips lasagna. I'll leave the link for that down below. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take a 3-quart casserole dish or a 9x13 baking pan and take 1 tablespoon of butter and grease that. Take a large pot over medium heat. Melt your 4 tablespoons of butter. Add your 1/4 cup of flour. Whisk that continuously for 2 minutes to cook off the flour taste. Then gradually add your 2½ cups of milk. And your 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Then add your seasonings, your 1 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt, your 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, your 1/4 teaspoon of finely ground black pepper, and your teaspoon of onion powder. Continue whisking until sauce has thickened. So it has thickened. It does stick to the back of the spoon. Take 1 cup of your cheddar cheese, Gruyère cheese, or in my case, the pepper jack. Put it in your sauce and stir that until it's melted. Take your potato slices and dump them into the cheese sauce and stir them until fully coated. So take your potatoes and put them in your casserole dish. Spread it out evenly. Then take the remaining 1 cup cheese and sprinkle it over top. Then take a piece of foil and cover your casserole. I sprayed it so the cheese won't stick to the foil. So stick your pepper jack au gratin potatoes in a preheated 350-degree oven for 60 minutes. So after 60 minutes, remove the foil, stick it back into the oven for 15 minutes so the cheese can brown. The 15 minutes are up. We'll now let it rest for 15 minutes and then we'll serve it up. You can top this with fresh chives or freshly ground black pepper if you would like. So here is the pepper jack au gratin potatoes. And rounding out the meal is slow cooker barbecued ribs. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What am I taste testing?
The pepper jack au gratin potatoes.
Those chicken wings?
They are barbecued ribs.
Okay.
No, actually, they're honey buns.
That's pretty good. It's got a little bit of a kick to it, but not too much, because I don't like really hot things. I like this.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.